In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import sales data from Excel to Tally Prime. This process can be a game changer for businesses looking to streamline their accounting operations and keep accurate records without the hassle of manual entries. So, let's jump right in. First, you need to open Tally Prime on your computer. This is the central hub of your financial data, and it's where all the magic happens. Once Tally Prime is open, the next step is to select the company you want to work with. This ensures that all the information you're about to import is directed exactly where it needs to go in your database. With your company selected, it's time to bring in the sales data. For that, you'll need to press Alt+O on your keyboard. This is the shortcut for the import menu in Tally Prime. It's important to note that these keyboard shortcuts are designed to save you time and make your workflow smoother, so it's good to memorize them. Now, within the import menu, you'll see a variety of options, but for this task, we want to focus on importing transactions. So go ahead and select Transactions to proceed. This will prompt you to choose the Excel file that contains your sales data. Locate your file and make sure it's the correct one before proceeding, as this is a critical step in ensuring the integrity of your data. At this point, you'll need to specify the type of voucher you're importing. Since we're dealing with sales data, select Sales Voucher. This choice is crucial as it tells Tally Prime how to categorize and store the information within your accounts. If your Excel file is in a custom format, don't worry. You can seamlessly integrate it by creating a mapping template. This is your handy tool for guiding Tally Prime on how to translate the Excel data into its system. Start by mapping your Excel columns such as date, invoice number, party name, item, quantity, rate, GST, and so on to the corresponding fields in Tally. This step ensures that every piece of data knows exactly where it should go, maintaining the consistency and accuracy of your records. Once you've set up your mapping, it's crucial to verify it. Click on Verify Mapping. This feature checks for any errors or mismatches, which is invaluable for preventing data import issues down the line. If everything looks good, you're almost at the finish line. The last step is to save your mapping template. This will allow you to reuse this template whenever you encounter a similarly formatted Excel sheet. To save, press Ctrl+A. This action finalizes your mapping and saves it for future use, adding convenience and efficiency to your workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully imported sales data from Excel to Tally Prime. This streamlined process not only saves time, but also enhances accuracy, making it easier for you to manage your financial data efficiently. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks around accounting and data management. Happy tallying!